First and foremost, the government is working towards ensuring that we work on a saturation mode. And what does that mean? That means to be able to achieve 100% in everything that we do. For example, when the Jal Jeevan Mission had started, we only had 0.75%, which is less than 1% houses with connected water tap connection. And in a matter of 3.5-4 years, that number has crossed 75%. And by the end of this financial year, we are confident that we will be able to cross 90% in terms of connections of tapped water connections to different houses. In the ODF Plus, in the beginning of this year, we were less than 10%. And today, with the hard work of all the officials, Meghalaya has touched 84.33% just in matter of 9 months. If you look at other sectors also, like PMAY, in the last 4 years, the government of Meghalaya had received approximately 50,000 houses in 4 years put together to make different houses for rural PMAY program. But when we started with a mission mode to go for saturation, within this financial year of 2023-2024, Meghalaya has received 140,000 houses. So about 40,000 houses in 4 years versus this year alone 140,000 houses, which means a budget of almost 1,600 crores has been received to construct PMAY houses. With that, we will be almost saturating the PMAY and the rural households that are eligible to get the PMAY houses.